My face is cleaned and moisturized and my brows already done. I'm going to go in with the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Serum. This is a skincare infused priming serum that hydrates, preps, and protects the skin from a lit within glow. It contains hyaluronic acid and niacinamide to minimize pores and to hydrate your skin. I'm only placing it on the high points of my cheekbones where the light hits. Next, I'm going to apply my Urban Decay Stay Naked Correcting Concealer and top that off with the Tarte Ultra Creamy Concealer. I'm going to let the Tarte concealer sit for a bit so it can get thick, so it'll give me better coverage when I blend it in. And I'm going to go ahead and start on my contour using my Anastasia contour cream palette. So I'm going to go into the middle shade. This is more coming off more as a bronzer, just to warm up my face. Actually, we'll use it as a bronzing shade, not a contour shade. I'm using Morph M173 brush to blend in my highlight, and then I'm going to go over that with a damp beauty blender. I'm going to go in with that same shade and create my nose contour. I'm going to use the MAC Matchmaster for my foundation. I'm going to spray my face with the MAC Fix Plus just to hydrate it. I'm going to use the Mercier powder to set my highlighted areas, and then I'm going to go in with the Anastasia powder contour kit to set my bronzer area. Going into the contour kit, I'm going into this middle shade. I'm using MAC NC42 to brighten up underneath my eyes. I'm going to use the NARS Orgasm palette to highlight my cheeks. I'm going to mix between all the shades except this one. I'm going to go into the pink hues, the reddish hues for color, and then the golden orange, and this one looks like almost like a bronze color for more of the highlight. I'm going to use the KVD tattoo liner to line my eyes. So I had a little trouble with my wing liner, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to clean it up and try to even it out. I'm going to use a Q-tip with nothing on it and just drag up to where I want to clean up. And now let's take my beauty blender and just dab back in that area. For my lower lash line, I'm going to use a Tarte eyeliner named Sex Kitten. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face and set it using the MAC Fix Plus setting spray, and I'm gonna go ahead and just top my lips off with the NARS Lip Balm in Deep Throat. I'm gonna line my lips with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Lip Pencil in Mauve. I feel like this color complements my skin tone and my lips very well. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope that you like this look. I did do a little extra with the wing liner. Other than that, you see the nice glow on the cheeks. It's just a nice fresh face look. If you just want something to look clean but still go out, you can also, you know, put something on your eyes if you want, or just do your contour or your bronzer shade in your crease just to give it a little bit more definition. But this is my take on a fresh face look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.